Ba't ka daw umiiyak?
Nag-thank you ko sa ano, sa Tinti sa airport.
Oh, bakit?
May request pa sayo tayo. Kaya
bakit ka naiiyak? Ano yung 10K views? Okay naman!
Dahil try namin yung cruise doon sa Thailand. So first time dito sa sa Vietnam. So thank you so much, Ate Roxanne!
Yes! Nag-prank ang Jesby, majijinuman. Sila tagduyaya sa akin, antok na ako. Eh, nung pagkahiga nila, nawala yung antok ko. Ngayon, walain natin antok nyo. So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Mekong River. And then, I don't know what happened.
ganda yan.
Ganda ng tinama.
Kasi galing kaming tulog. So walang energy, kailangan ng energy.
Anong feeling?
Anong feeling? Magulo ka habang may natutulog?
Ito ang tama ng walang tulog.
Sino may kasalanan? Sino nanggulo?
So energy tayo guys.
Mag.
Say aha. Say aha. Aha. So ayan guys. Ang mangyari lang daw dito.
Tulad nung pom-pom-pulog.
Okay. So ang mangyari lang daw pala dito is ano lang kami bangka. Yun lang.
Tapos bababa tayo. Tapos mag-aano tayo sa mga batuan ng candy. Iinom tayo ng honey na may mga bina lumilipad. Hindi sila makakagat.
Okay, yun. Narinig niya guys. Kasi wala kami alam dito. But anyway, ang mangyari lang dito sa video na to is mapakita ko kung ano yung mangyari. Let's go.
This province we call Ding Giang province. We take the name Ding Giang, we call for the Mekong River. You can call Mekong River or you can call Ding Giang River. And ladies and gentlemen, over there that is the Dragon Island. You see the island over there on your left, over there. They are fishermen, they go to the sea for fishing. You can see their boat right over there. That boat for fishing and this boat for carry customer. This one around 20 to 30 meter deep. So that's why if you take photo or you make the video, please careful, okay? If you drop your phone here, you can buy the new one. This way go to Cambodia. This way go to Cambodia. And you see some ship over there look like Viking, Saigon or Sailing Spirit. You see over there. That ship they will go to Cambodia. And they go to here and then they go to Saigon. From Saigon they go to here and then they go to Cambodia. Yeah. And from here to Cambodia, just only around 300 kilometers, no visa. And over there, that is Rat Mel Bridge, the bridge, the longest bridge in Mekong Delta, very, very long. Connect the city with the Police Island and the Coconut Island. And our destination today, that is the Unicorn Island, the longest island in 4 islands. You can see from over there, they long to over there, very, very long.
Ayan guys, wala silang energy habang nandito kami. Wala pa ako naririnig na chumichika sa vlog nila. And tayo pa lang. So, para magkaroon ng energy, say, aha!
I-sleep! I-sleep!
Kasi naman, ba't naman kasi disturbo?
Mamaya alas 5, tulog tayo. Kita tayo alas 8, alas 9.
So, ayun guys. Ngayon nandito na kami sa first ganap. And papakita ko sa inyo nga kung ano yung mga mangyayari dito sa ganap namin. Para if sakaling pupunta ka ng Vietnam, meron kayang idea guys. So, ang una namin ganap para magla-lunch na kami.
Ito na lang yung vlog mo.
Muna ka, Jet.
Hindi, no, meron pa isa, oh.
Dito lang dito.
Dito. Oh, calm down. Ah. Meron pinya, pakwan. Ano to, nak? Dragon fruit? Dragon fruit.
Tapos pakwan.
Tapos ito yung magiging reaction natin, mapait.
Papakla.
So ayan, pinalipat kami na upuan. And dito na kami sa parang kubo. Ayan, kubo siya. So nakaupo lang kami dito. So meron dito pakwan. And then ito hindi ko to alam. Ito papaya ata to, papaya. Oh, ito dragon fruit.
Sino papaya?
And then ito pinya.
And this one is Logan.
Longgan yan din.
Ah, longgan.
Come from the flower.
Ayan sila guys.
Okay. Alam ko, di ba may longgan din sa atin?
Yung color brown tapos matamis.
Ito ata yun.
Yan, iba yun.
Ah, okay.
Pero meron din sila.
Pero parang alam ko na itong prutas na to.
Inside this one of whiskey.
Ito yung manipis na balat, tapos parang yung buto niya crystal.
Inside this one of whiskey.
Okay, ngayon guys, itikman na natin yung mga foods. Ayan. Lagyan ko muna kayo ng tinga. Bilang I'm your dad for today's video. Hello!
So masarap talaga yung kutas pag sinasawsaw sa asin ng hanghang.
Tayo natin siya guys. Tsaka, kakaiba sa kanila, wala silang maliit na po.
Okay, first stage.
Magising tayo.
Pinya para sa singaw na hindi gumagaling. Hindi pa rin gagaling.
Sa atin, di ba yung
Pakwan.
Everyone, do you know how to eat the longan? I think you know, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yung asin nila dito guys, ito, makikita nyo, may sili, pula-pula. Sobrang anghang. Sa atin kahit anong madaming sili sa asin, hindi pa rin manghang dito, sobrang anghang. Bakit? Anong sekreto?
Titip talaga yan.
Okay, so ngayon, na-try na natin yung mga foods. Ito pala di ko sa inyo nasabi. Ganun lang rin naman yung lasa. Ngayon, tikman naman natin yung tea. Oh, sarap ang init. Tapos tea. Ah, sarap.
Dạ chương trình ca nhạc tự tử đó đã làm hết.
Here. And one more, that is the spring. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. They sing about the spring in this countryside. In the spring seasons, springtime, the tree they grow. Birds flies, wind they swim. Yeah, everything they grow. Look like very beautiful picture like that.
Hindi ko man nakuhaan kanina yung meaning ng kanta. And doon ko lang rin nalaman na may meaning pala yung kanta. So yung meaning ng kanta is, ano yung ulit yun na?
Yung isa about sa, ano,
Love story.
love story. And yung isa naman about dun sa, parang kunwari tayo single, tapos pag tumuulan, di ba, parang nangungulila tayo, may namimiss tayo, gano'n. So, parang ganun yung atake ng lyrics daw ng kanta. And the last is yung parang about sa alak. So, parang all about celebration. So, kunwari tayo, matagal na tayo hindi nagkita. Tapos pag nagkita tayo, nainom tayo ng alak. So, ganun yung pagkaka-explain ni Kuya. And may isa pa siyang na, hindi ko na din na-videohan about sa marriage. Dito daw sa countryside. Ano countryside? Countryside. Dito daw, kahit wala kang pera, pwede ka magpakasal. Pero dun daw sa city, kahit may pera ka, hindi daw makapagpakasal.
See they moving, they look like the monkey. We call the monkey bridge. Under this one, you see the fish? You see them?
What do you call that?
Elephant ear fish. Elephant ear. Elephant ear fish. The fish have the ear, look like the ear of the elephant. This one will be your lunch later. Yeah. One inside like this one. You cannot chop like this. You must chop like this. Yeah, and open this one inside like this. You see, they look like you juicy. Yeah, they choose this sushi inside, right? They look like they have like honey condensed. This one, the local people with their experience, they will know this one can or cannot eat. With me, citizen, cannot. Yeah. And this one, in here, in Ho Chi Minh City, this one is the secret, okay? If you make the video, don't share on Facebook. In Ho Chi Minh City, one bottle or 1 cup of the coconut water, maybe we sell for you around $50,000. Very, very expensive. But in here, she is the local people. She is the local people. This one, she just sell over there $20,000 dong. $20,000 dong. $1 in Vietnam, $25,000 dong. This one, $20,000 dong. You can imagine how cheap is it, right? So in here, if you want to try the fresh coconut, this one here, they take the meat of the water coconut, they mix with the water of the coconut. You can order her, okay? In here, we'll try the fresh coconut and the real price, okay? Yeah, over there. Everyone, this one, the altar. This one is, we call fortune god. Yeah, the god, you can call the god of lucky and the god of land here. Around 90% or maybe 99%. Vietnamese people, when you come inside their house, you will see one small altar like this one. They put on the land. When we put on the land, not because we unrespect, okay? This one is our culture, yeah, religion, and he protect the land. This means he protect our house from the ghost. That is protect for our house. And you can see this god. He bring the gold, right? Look like the lucky, or you can call it money like that, yeah. And in here, in China, we have one story. That is one king. He escaped from the enemies. The enemies chased him, and then he escaped from the enemies. He go to one temple. He saw on the table like this one statue of this god sit in here, and he want to lie on here because on the land very, very cold. Yeah, he bring this statue, put on the land, and he lie on here to have a rest. Suddenly the enemies they come, and he must run away again. But he forgot to put this god in here. But you know, in Vietnam or maybe in China, in the past, you know, the king looked like the son of the god. The king told you die, you must die, like that. And the king put him on the land. So that's why he must sit at there forever. That is the story of this one. Yeah. Why this altar? Actually, you must put in here, or you put over there. Yeah. Why here? Why this one here? Sometimes he come inside, come outside, he pee to this one. So that's we must put in here. And everyone, if you look the altar over there, you see the altar in front of the house over there. Yeah, that one for worshiping the god. In Vietnam, the god is the highest. And on there, just only the water and the fruit because they clean, and sometimes flour. Why we must put in front of the house? Because when you come inside the house, you must say the hi to the god first. And in here, that is the countryside. We have so many land. We have the yard, our garden, very, very big, very, very wide, right? So that's why we put it there. But in Ho Chi Minh City, The land in Ho Chi Minh City very expensive. So that's why we build this one higher and higher. We put that altar on the highest. That's it. That's how we show the respect with the God highest. That's it.
So, ito na yung coconut. Ano ba dito? Tumatawa. So, ito yung nakita natin kanina, yung coconut daw. Eh, tikman natin siya. Yung water nito from coconut, but itong laman, ano tawag ito eh, coconut din.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Now we go to the bee farm to try the honey tea. Yeah.
Honey tea.
Everyone please follow me.
Aba, try mo.
Okay, ladies and
Masarap yan.
gentlemen.
Kalamansi.
Hindi naman sa kanila.
Kalamansi.
Hindi sila tea, pero kalamansi.
Yung garlic.
Beef Holland.
Abi po. May langgam na din.
Good daw yun para dito, Bes, sa ano, likod.
Yeah.
Just only one queen bee and so many Mary. We call them happy bee. And the worker bee from the name of the work. They make some honey. The honey you drink comes from the flower.
Parang lapsuisya no?
You look carefully.
Bibenta yun ng
So ito para ito yung ginagamit natin pang ano eh, yung panggamot sa ubo.
Oo. Ang galing.
So sa Pinas naman ang ginagamit natin, 'di ba, lemon. So tikman na natin siya kung anong lasa niya.
pollen. Bee pollen. May sugar na naman.
Hindi ko na kaya talaga po.
Kunti lang, hindi naman ano.
Sarap.
It's not chismis. Go down.
Halong bee pollen, tapos kamalansi.
Sarap. Haluan mo taste no, Ber. Magaling na ubo mo.
Yun ang may ubo. Yun ang may ubo. Si Jeko may
Ayun pang mukha.
Sarap.
Please look at here. This one is one of the home of bee. This one you can call the bee home or the bee wax. Inside this one, just only one queen bee. And with queen bee, she stay inside. They outside. That is the male bee and the worker bee. They protect for the queen bee. The queen bee look at the boss in here, and surrounding here. That is the male bee. Male bee and worker bee. Male bee eat, sleep, and then making love with the queen bee. You see so many bee because the male bee and the worker bee. They walk right. They check the honey come from the flower of the longan tree. You see the longan tree surrounding here so much, right? The honey you drink come from this one. And if you see the special here, that is the honey. They look like the water, but actually inside no water. You can put to the freezer, and then this one never frozen. They just condense. That is the real honey. And this one you drink very good for your liver. Yeah, that's it. Here, they will use the smoke. They chase the bee out, and then they take the honey. You can look carefully. You will see the honey. You see the honey?
Pwede siya.
You can stand over there. Yeah. Stand here. Stand around here, please.
Yun, ikaw na.
Ala.
Oh my God. Hinemichon.
What do you think this is? मैंने बचपन में किया था.
Picture ka dito ka. Dito ka.
That's it. Yeah, please. Oh.
Dala rin. Dito, tingin. Bye. Dala rin. Mama Vicky! Ate!
Hello, hello. Hello. You right?
Yes.
Come here, please. Okay, này đúng không?
Mama Vicky, dali na. Bali, bali. Bali, bali. Sige na, sige na. Bali, bali. Go, 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 go. Lagyan na sa TikTok.
Okay, okay, just touch.
Okay.
No. Teacher!
Hindi kaya pag-uwi mo yan.
Just like that.
Magiging alaala ka na lang talaga. Memories ka na lang talaga sa amin. Kaunang ka na lang i-celebrate. Just hold like this.
Hindi mo daman ah.
Magilapit-lapit. Magilapit-lapit.
Ahas kayo! Sinasabi ko sa iyo.
Magilapit-lapit no.
Lambot niya guys, sobrang lambot niya.
Minalala ko dyan.
Jeko!
Kinakain lang namin.
Who's next? Who's next?
Mama Vicky.
Okay, next.
Next in line.
Come here.
Sige, kiss na. Atong lagi ka.
Gaga ka, bawal yun. Okay, hawak mo. Kiss mo, kiss. Forever young. Kiss mo, kiss.
Bawal mo lakasan.
Wag mo lakasan, wag mo.
Sakal na siya. Baka ikaw naman yung sakalin yan.
Buyag.
Ikaw mo.
So, ito ay pangalawa na naming destination. And kabilang isla to.
No one allergic with peanut, right? Okay. Everyone, you can try this one. This is the peanut flavor. Just come out from over there. After you try, you can come inside. At that table, you can try so many flavor. Okay? The flavor, which flavor? You can ask the shop owner.
Tikman natin. Sabi-sabi sa brace.
Parang sabi ko ba?
Sarap. Dito siya ginagawa. Sarap niya, peanut siya, pero malintol mo siya yung sa may nilalagay sa biko. So dito, pag nagpunta ka dito sa isla na sir, meron dito mabibilan ng mga souvenir and yung mga gawa nila na coconut candy. So dito mabibili niyo siya. Ayan.
We'll buy 5.
May mga flavor sila, oh. Pandan, your taro, durian, and ginger, coffee, peanut, and chocolate. Ayan, yung mga flavor nila.
Everyone, this one is the snake white. You can marinate any wine, any snake. Okay, up to you. This one is the tiger snake. Here. Marinate with the rice wine, 40 degrees. Yeah. This one is the raw banana. Why you know this is raw banana? Because this one, you see, they still have the seed, right? Just only raw banana, they have the seed. Yeah. And this one we smart and we marinate with this one, with the rice wine. Okay. So.
Tapang na ano.
Try mo. Banana.
Oh, banana.
Hindi ko kaya yung snake.
Huwag kang masyado mag-ano.
Parang emperador. Init sa chan. Uy.
Tequila daw yung banana eh.
Ah.
I want banana
So what?
wine.
Yeah. Your stomach, you warm. And
In
some
the Philippines, we have one.
This one.
We have like this. Emperador.
Walang pulutan. Ay, kasama na pala pulutan na yun.
Ang tapak. Init niya sa stand. Parang siyang empty, guys.
Galing nilang alak nila no? Kasama ng pulutan.
Grabe, ang dami. Pero nakakita lang ito na ganyan yung kulay.
Albino.
Albino? True ba?
Gaga ka. Ano ba siya?
Talong ka ish. Pakainin natin yan.
In English, it means tiger snake. Because they have the stripe, look at the stripe of the tiger skin. You see that?
And talaga
this one, it
nanunuklog
cannot
yan.
climb to here. This one very high. And maybe this one very smooth. The snake cannot climb here. This one no poison. and everyone. Now we go to see Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton in Mekong Delta. Come here, please.
10,000 lang oh. There's a lot of politicians here. Mogi.
Ikaw, T.
Next group.
Ito na yung pinaka-tatlo naming pinuntahan na destination. So, nakita nyo naman doon, mayroong mga hito, may aha, syempre may mga crocodile din. So, ayun yung mga eksena dito. Grabe. Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa fourth destination. Let's go, guys. So, going for the fourth destination, guys. And then, ito, libre lang itong sinuot namin. Kasama to sa package na nakuha. And ito, naka-boat kami. And yung mga nakikita nyo ng mga boat, guys, na mga sinasakyan namin is wala nang bayad yun. Dahil included na yun sa mga na-book na package. Alam ko, pagkakalam ko, via Klook to na-book. Si Kevin ang nag-aayos ng itinerary namin. So, thank you, Kevin, and syempre kay Jessica. At also kay Ate Roxanne, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Ayan, sagwan-sagwan sila. Oh. Yes, ay. So dito sa boat na to is 4 lang yung pwede. So hello po. Ayan, so may daming Pinoy dito, guys. So nakaka-enjoy din. Ayan sila mga Pinoy. Hello. So ayan, 4 lang dito sa boat, and then yung iba nandun na sa kabila. Sila Kevin, Bebang, Jessica, and Mama Vicky. Yun na sila. Hi! Hi, where you from? Where you from, guys?
From Canada.
Oh, Canada pala yan.
Canada, Cubao.
Where you from, guys? Where you from? Guys, where you from? So ayun guys, sa fourth destination natin, pag sumakay kayo ng boat, is ganun lang, mag-iikot lang kayo. So umikot lang kami, and ayun, para matry lang to at ma-experience tong boat na to, na magagayak ka. So ayun guys, pagkatapos ng boat ngayon, magla-lunch na tayo, half lunch. And ito ay paborito ng lahat, lunch.
Dito.
Balong. There first. Sit there first.
So ito yung kain natin, chicken, Shanghai, and then fried rice, and soup. So ngayon titikman natin yung pagkain. Unahin natin ang pangmalakasan sa Pilipinas, Shanghai. Chop. Sausaw natin sa fish sauce ng Vietnam.
Malambot yung ano nila. Ano yung guys.
Ang chicken naman, guys.
Ay, may gulay pa mo ako gulay.
Không nè, anh thấy cái gì vậy? Ủa Minh ơi.
Yung chicken nila dito, parang chicken curry talaga siya, pero matabang na version. Ngayon yung soup naman nila yung titikman natin. Parang tubig lang yung soup.
Mag-ano lang tayo, kamay.
Okay siya, guys. So ayun guys, kakatapos na namin kumain, and syempre grabe yung food. Kung tatanungin nyo kung nakakabusog talaga siya, guys. Lalo na kung malakas ka rin kumain, goods to para sa'yo dahil ang dami nilang hinahain. So masarap yung foods nila, guys. So here na kami guys for the 5th destination. Ayan, andito na kami sa pang-5 and ang pangalan ng location na to is Banchan. So andito kami at makikita nyo yung mga malalaking Buddha dito ni statue, and ililibot ko kayo dito hanggang sa makakaya ko dahil palubot na rin ang aking cellphone guys, dahil hindi nagche-check ang aking cellphone dahil sira. So let's go, libot na natin to. So ayan, laki na yung statue guys. Sobrang laki. Sobrang laki.